Yes, hello and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up a VPN app. So this app is already on Google Play Store. The app will help you to secure your connection, to add an extra layer of security when you are online. So let me take this chance to welcome all viewers, all subscribers of this channel, that you are highly welcomed. And when you reach on Google Play Store, you search for this app. The app is known as BND Tunnel VPN. So you install the app, and among the presented, you pick this one. And after you picking the app, make sure to install it on your device. So please use VPNs responsibly and follow your local laws so that you don't violate the laws. Also make sure to read VPN terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. So you install the app on your device, and after that you open the app to do some settings. And as we open the app, in case you are new on the channel, you have not yet subscribed, take this time to like, share and subscribe on this channel for more useful content. So when you reach in the app interface, you'll be required to set it up. So you tap on the 4 buttons right here, and then from the presented menu you opt for update config. So when you opt for that, the app will start to update its resources so that it can provide you with the best service when you are using it. So after that, you are required to pick a server. So to pick a server, you are required to tap right here. Then you can choose either you pick auto or you pick from any of the presented servers. So for today's video, please you pick the auto server. And after that, you are required to pick a network or a connection method. So for today's guide, you are gonna use the All Country UDP. All Country UDP. This is because UDP is working for all countries which support UDP. And if your country supports UDP, this option will definitely work for you. So please note that in case this option doesn't work for you, you tap right here, and among the presented, you pick your country name. So you'll be able to secure your connection. So in today's guide, please you pick this one, All Country UDP. So lastly, to ensure a super fast and a secure connection, and to add an extra layer of security when you are online, you are required to tap on this start button. So when you tap on the start button, you give this app a few seconds for it to connect. So after a few seconds, you can see that the app is right now here, it is connected. The app is right now connected, and that's how we set up BND Tunnel VPN with All Country UDP settings to secure our online connection, to add an extra layer of security when we are online.